Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I came with a new project called School Management System using C# Windows Form. So it's a complete school management system that I will build in this project for you guys. So let me show you the presentation of the project and the requirements that we need before starting the project. And yeah, let me show you. Here is the definition of school management system. School management system is a large database system which can be used for managing your school's day-to-day business. An efficient student management solution that enables in maintaining and give the promotion and remarks for the students in the school's management system. So here are the requirements that we are able to use for the school management system. So the front end requirements will be Visual Studio 2015 above, Windows Form, and the framework that we will going to use for this project, it will be Material Skins framework. It's a new framework that I found, and the back end of the project will be Microsoft SQL Server 2014. Okay, so let's go further. Here is the application design interface. We have many forms here. No, we have the forms are here. We have registration form, admission form, authentication, dashboard, parent, class form, levels, and fees form, etc. We have many forms inside here. As our school management system is not a small school management system, it will be, advanced school management system. Okay. So now let's go to the ERP diagram of our database. It will look like this. Here will be our ERP diagram of our database. Okay, and the ERP diagram, we will have all these tables in our database. I will show you how to create all these things step by step. Okay, so let's go further. Here is the first form that we will create. Okay, so with the attributes that we need inside the forms. Okay, so let's go. And here is the admission form with the attributes that we need to create inside the admission form. Let's go further. And here is the login form and the attributes that we need to create, for the login form. Okay, we just need only 2 attributes to create. And here is the class form. We need 3 attributes to create there. And here is the level form. We need 3 attributes as well as the class one. So here is the period form. We need 3 attributes as well as the class and the level. And here is the same one, as well as we need, subject. We have 3 attributes as well. Shift, we have 4 attributes in shift form. And here the class scheduling, we have 7 attributes inside here. So now let's open our Visual Studio and start to create a new project. So I will click this create new project here. Now I will write my project name here. It will be advanced, or I will say school management system. Okay, school management system. Okay, so let's click OK and wait the code to generate the form. So okay, now we are in our form, our first form here, our form 1. So you see our project is already created already. So let's go to this our solution explorer. Inside our solution explorer, you see we have only one form. Okay, that's form 1. So now let's install the framework that I told you, and we will use that framework for our form. So let's click and right click from our school management system. Let's click the manage nugget package, and let's search for the framework material skin. Okay, hit enter. Okay, here is it. So this first one, let's click it and install it to our project. It will take time. Okay, this installation completed. So let's close here and close this thing here. And now let's go to our solution explorer, insert references, and now you will see here one reference added called material skin. So now let's right click our form, open the source code here. So now let's try and add one reference called using material skin dot control. That's our username here. So let's change this thing to material skin. No, material form here. Only material form is okay. So let's save this and go back to our form design. You see, we have our form is looking nice now with the new design, right? So let's change this name to be dashboard. Okay, dashboard. Okay, we have changed this thing to be dashboard now. So let's create one new form that will be our MDI parent form. Okay, so now let's search for MDI parent form. MDI parent form is here, but yeah, come Windows form here, you see MDI parent form here. So let's add this MDI parent form here. So here's our MDI parent form. So let's remove all these things there because we don't use them. Okay, false, and this one will be false as well. So the only thing we need is only this one. Okay, the closing button. So now let's come to the position side. Let's make it center screen, and let's go to the Windows state. Let's make it maximize, so that if our project runs, this Windows will be maximized. It will be the full screen of the project. Okay, so now let's remove this thing there because we don't need these features. Remove the features that you don't need. Okay, so let's go to our solution explorer. Let's go to our programs. Inside program here we have form. So let's remove this form and make it MDI parent. Okay, it will be our stuff. So now let's run this project. Okay, it's coming. Let's wait. Okay, it's building. It took a little bit time to build. Okay, we have error. Let's fix this error because of that tooltip that I removed from the top of the project, the MDI. That's why. So let's remove this and save and run it back again. Okay, it's building now. It's coming. Okay, you see now we have our full MDI parent here. No, everything is here, is in full. Okay, so let's close it and go back to the form. Oops. Let's close it now. Okay, close this one. We don't need this. We don't need this again. And now in the dashboard here, dashboard design, let's try and design this dashboard so that we will able to use this design to our forms, to all our forms. Okay, so now what we need here, we need to open this toolbox and we select, okay, we choose this panel. we have panel here. Let's copy this panel 4 times. Okay, the panel is here, this and this. Okay, so with this panel here, let's make it dock top. Dock top is already docked up here, and the size will be okay, 100 is too much, so let's make it 75. Okay, 75 is okay for this one. And this one, let's make it dock left, and the size will be dock left, and the size will be this will be 400, the width will be 400. So okay, so this one, let's dock this one, let's bring this one again here. It will be 2 panel here. Okay, so let's make it dock field. Where's the dock field? Okay, we have 2 panel, you see, half panels are here. So this one, let's make it dock field here. It will be our content panel. Okay, so let's make it dock field. You see, we have panel here. So let's go to our document outline. You see, we have all our panels here. This one is this one, this one is this one. Okay, so okay, this one. Okay, so I will change the name of the panels. I will give them like left panel, navbar panel, and the content panel. Okay, so the name will be, where is it? There is the name. So this one will be left side panel, left sidebar panel. That's it. So this one, you see. Okay, and this one will be navbar panel. Okay, navbar panel, and what's the problem? Navbar panel. Okay, that's it. We have this one, navbar panel. Navbar panel is here. Sidebar panel, navbar panel, and here is the main content panel. Okay, I think this one is the 75 one, right? See, this one is the 75. This one is this would be the let's take this one. This one is okay. This one is the main content. I changed it to main content. Okay, the content. Okay, this is the content panel, and this one is the one that I put here, and this one is the navbar. Okay, navbar panel. Okay, so we have all our panels here now. Okay, so what we need here, let's change the color of this panel here, right? Okay, let's go back to the background color. Okay, the background color is this. So you come to the web or anywhere you want, but I will choose my color that I love to use for this project. It will be like this. This is my choice of this project. Okay, yeah, this is my choice of this project. So my project will be like this. Okay, the colors will be like this. So in here as well I need something like that. Okay, so everything I will make it like this. Here it will be. So now let's add one label from the material skill label here. Then the name will be, the text that I will put there will be the school name. Okay, it will be Latrikunda Sabiji lower basic score, or I say Ragnar Sabiji upper basic score, upper basic score. Okay, so be the school name. Here is it, here is the school name. So let's change the font size and everything. So the font size here is 11 Roboto, but I will change this Roboto to something like no, it's okay, but let's make it bold. The size will be 22. I think it's okay. So the size will be 22. So 22 is okay for me here, I think. How do you look for this? I think it's looking good, yeah. So here is the size 22 of our, but the color, the foreground color, I will change it to white, and the standard will be flat. The foreground color will be white. Bold is yes, even bold, and the foreground color, I don't need black, I need the white color of the foreground color. Okay, looking awesome. Okay, so now this will be our form that will represent all our stuffs. Okay, so let me open the MDI here. Let's click this form here, the MDI load form. I will do something like this. Okay, dashboard is dashboard ds equals to new dashboard. Okay, it will be like this, ds dot show. Okay, it will be like this. Then I will say ds dot window state equals to form window state dot maximize. Okay, see, we have it here. So let's test our project now. Let's run. You see, this thing is for just a example purpose here. Okay, we have some error. Okay, we have some error. Let's go back. Okay, so here we need be ds dot mdi parent equals to this. See, let's run and see. You see, we have our form here. You see, so here is it, here is our form. But let's remove this from the control stuff here. We don't need this form control anymore in this one. So let's go back to the here in the dashboard here. Let's click let's go to the dashboard here. Let's remove the control. Where is the control? Let's search for the control box. False. Okay, let's run now and you see. you see we don't have any control box now here. It's clean and nice. See, we have here this thing. Okay, we have Adukunda Savage of a basic school. Okay, but I think I need to change this label, change it to the normal label that we get. Okay, copy this, and I will remove this label, and I will put our normal label there. To be like this. So inside this label here, the name is label text, but I will make it like this. Padukna of a basic score, and I will change the font size of the label again. Font to be flat, and the font will be, I will change it to Roboto. Okay, let's check for Roboto. See, Roboto is not here. Roboto. Okay. So good. We don't have Roboto here, so let's just, okay, I will use the Sogo UI. Okay, Sogo UI, this one, and click this, and here I will make the font size will be 26, and it will bold. 26 is too much. 20 to be bold. Okay, and I will place it here, and I will change the foreground color. The foreground color will be white. Okay, so here is it. Here is our stuff. So here, let's change the background color of this one. The background color of this fourth panel here, this panel 4, even though, let me just move this panel 4 there. Okay, the sidebar here, the sidebar, I will change this to background color will be the same with the navbar, but it will be lighter than the navbar. It will be like this. I think this one is so light. Nope, I need something dark gray like this. Okay, this thing is better. It's better looking here. See? So this will be our form, that our design that we will use for our entire project. Okay, so let's create another one here. Let's create another one. That one will have, let's create another form. This one will be the main dashboard. Where is it? Add new Windows form. Okay, main dashboard. Main dashboard. Okay, so here we have this thing, we have the main dashboard, and create this, and let's do this. Let's remove this form here. Let's make it material form. Okay, material form, and let's press this thing and add the references below. Use control. Okay, we have add the references now. So let's go back to the main dashboard. We have it here right now. You see the material skills are here. Okay, so now let's try and design this one as well. Likewise, our our dashboard here, but that's likewise our dashboard here, but yeah, but in this one I will make a different design of this one. Okay, so this one will be like this. Okay, let's add the panels that we need to add here. Panel to be, we have our first panel. Let's copy this panel and bring this one here and dock this one top here, and the size will be 75 as well. Usual 75, and this, let's copy this, and this one will be the left. Let's dock this one to the left. Okay, left, and it will be let's give the width to 300 is okay for this one. So here, okay, let's give something like okay, this one will be filled. Let's fill this one. Okay, where is the dock filled? You have 3, right? Or 3 panels here. Each and everyone has their own container. Okay, so what we need now, let's change this color to the same color of our our dashboard. Okay, the color of our dashboard, color is this, the color is this. Let's copy it and bring it here to our this one. Let's paste it here. So that's what we need, this color. Okay, you see, I have the same thing here now. So okay, now here what we need something like our logo that we have here. Let's copy this and bring it back here, our main design here. Okay, here's our main design. So here's our main dashboard. So this main dashboard will contain some features. Okay, like this. So in here, let me just put something like a group box. Okay, no, let me just put the okay, no, let me just, okay, let's remove this thing and add this thing to 400. Let's make it 400. 400 is okay for this one. Here is okay, 400. So let's add our labels, our tab stuff like this. So let's make it dock field. Where is it? Dock field. We have it, this one now. We have 4. So let's try and arrange. Let's make them equal. So we add, no, let me just remove one and add this one there. 3 is okay. Let's make it same percentage. Row and column as well. We add 1, make it same percentage. Okay, let's make it like this. It's okay. This is nice. See, even we can even add something here as well if we want to add something. Okay, this size. Okay, this one is it, this one. Let's make it 500. 500 is okay. You see, now we have all this thing now. So here let's add let's add tab from material skill tab. Okay, tab material control, this one. So let's make it filled. Okay, filled. So it's already filled here now. Okay, and now let's add the material selector here. And this selector, we will make it like this. It will be fit. It will be dark. Let's anchor this thing. Okay, and it will be like this, and this. So let's bring this one up to there, and bring this one down, and bring this one like this. It will be like this. Okay, so now what we want, let's change this thing to be the name that we have in our stuff. Okay, so okay, where is it? Default rules. Change transparent. Let's change this thing from transparent to white. Okay, so let's change this. Where is it? Change? No, it's not in name. Something like it is the okay. The base here, no. So I will choose this one. Okay, so here is it. We have it. Where is that base? That base is where? Tab control, where is it? Tab control here. We have it here, so now what's next? This thing is getting filled with my that one. So I don't need that one. So this thing, let's make it see, it's filled from here to here. So okay, so this here. Okay, let's run and see. No. Stop running. Okay, let's okay. Here is our stuff, so let's close this thing now. Okay, let's go to this person explorer. Let's change this thing to main dashboard. Okay, main menu, not main dashboard. Okay, main dashboard is here. So let's run. Let's see. Let's see our design, how it will look. You see, we have these things here, right? See, you have the tabs here. You can able to tap and go to your place that you need, right? Like you can show the user, the profile of the user and other stuff. So let's stop. Let's go to the main dashboard, the design here. In here, let's add a button. Okay, let's add the buttons. So I will use this button and I will say field. Okay, I will dock this thing field, dock field, and I will copy, paste, 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 paste. Yeah, have all these buttons here now. You see them? So let's change the font. I want to change this font to be Sago. Sago UI. Okay, and it will be 10. Okay, 10 is okay. Wow, it's getting big here. It's getting big here. Okay, so here let's make it 9. 9 is okay. So let me just click all these buttons and change the where is the font here. I will change the font of the button to be bold and it's 12. Okay, have these things now. So let me run and check what should be the output. You see the output of this thing? It's here. Have these buttons here. Okay? You see that? If you tap this, you're able to find something. Let me show you one thing that you need. Okay. So this tab name, I'll change it to profile. Okay, and the second tab name will be, let's go to the tab. Okay, second tab will be settings. Okay, so we have these tab names here now. We have these two tab names here. So close up. And here, let's go back to the tab name here, to setting, and this one, tab 1, to be profile. Okay, profile. Okay, here we are. Okay, you see, now we have it. So hit yes, click this one. You see, we have this. We have our setting tab, you see, have this. So let me show you something that you need to know. So let's just put here, just put text box field here. This thing is here. Okay, so let's copy and paste, put this one here, down here. So let's click this one as well and make it like this. Okay, so we need to have label. The label will be this label as well. So with this label. Okay, so now this label, I will copy this label to 2, copy and paste here. So this one will be, this one I will just make it like first name, last name. I'm just giving you an example purpose here. After I will show you everything. We don't need this label to have anything inside. We don't need this label to have anything inside as well. Okay, so it will be like this. So move them to come according to these things here. Okay, so here is it. So let me show you the settings one again. Here is this. Where is the setting? Profile we have 4, and in setting here we have 0. So in setting here we need the same thing, label and text box and text field. Okay, but cannot support it. Okay, because this thing is transparent, so let's check it. Let's make it white. So text, okay, have it. So it's transparent. Before it was transparent here. So here you can see you can able to change your password if you wish to change your password. You can able to change your password here. Okay, this one text will be username. So, and this here we don't need this, empty. So this will be like this. Okay, yeah, let's copy and paste here again. So let's drag and drop it like this. Okay, so here we need the password. Old password, it will be old password. Old password here will be the new password. New password. Okay. Username. Old, password, new password. Okay, I'm just giving you an example purpose. Okay, so let's run. I will show you something. Okay, let's run. Okay, you see in our profile you're able to see all these things here, right? So you will have your name here, you have your name and your last name, everything that you have registered. From there you will have it from here. Then here I will put here the image that you registered. Okay, so here in setting, you see, if I go to setting, you see all. You can enter your username and come here, enter your password, the password that you have, and here you enter your new password that you want to change. Okay, so here is the concept that I'm trying to show you guys. It's the concept, right? So let's close this, go back to our code back. So here is the main dashboard of school. So let's change these names. This text box will be okay, admission, this one will be okay, registration, no, teachers registration. So we teachers, when you go to teachers, you have all their stuff. The registration form will be there. you can view teachers there, you can, you know, everything. The admission here will have all this, the new student that they are admission have all in here. So here we have the classes, and here we will have the class scheduling, and here we have the subjects, okay, and here we will have the time, okay, let's go down, and here we need to have the periods, here the levels and the rules. Okay, that's what we have here. We have this thing for now, so in further videos we can able to add more and more and more. Okay, so what we want now, let's go to let's create one form, login. One form, it will be login form. I will make it login. Okay, so I will use the inherit function here to inherit from the dashboard to this login form. Okay, so let's right click, view code. In here I will say dashboard. Dashboard. In this dashboard here, so now let's check our function. You will see our form will change to this one. Yeah, this is our login form now. You see, we have our dashboard. Is that what we have here? But we have some problem. Let's go back to our dashboard here. Let me show you one thing. In dashboard here, let's open our design here. Our designer in our stuff left sidebar is in private mode, so we change it to public mode so that we can able to access that part of designer. Okay, and the content as well, let's make it public. Only those tools we will be able to make it public. Okay, and this rest we don't need to change anything from that. Okay, let's save. Now let's go to our login design. We will able to add something from here, right? So let's add the text field. Okay, label. Wow, now you can able to add label. Oh no, let's build first. Let's build. Without building, you see, it's still locked, so you can add nothing. So now we can able to add. You see, now it's coming. Good. Okay, so now we add the text field here. Text field will be like this. I can add two text field and two designer. So copy and paste. Have this thing now. Okay, they are now good. So the size will be like this, and we need to move them to the right and bring this one here and bring this one here. So let's change these names to be, where's the name? The name will change. I'll change the name, this change. Where is it? Username and password. Here's it. Okay, we have both our stuffs here, right? So now let's move this to closer to this thing, and let's move this thing also closer to this thing, so that we could have much space in between them. Okay, so the name of this thing here, we need to remove this name. Currently we don't need the name, perhaps. Okay, we need this one as well. So let's bring them forward like this. Okay, here is our login stuff here. So let's put button there for the login button, like let me use this one. This will be the login and the register. Okay, make it flat. It's flat already. So let's change the name, the text. We need the text. We put login. Okay, this is login here. Okay, and let's copy this and make it forgot your password. Forgotten password. Forgot. We get your forgotten password. Okay, should be like this, forgotten password. Okay, we have this thing here. This is it. So this thing will be like this, and this one will be like this. So here, let's change the foreground color. Can't be able to change, yeah, because we don't need this. We need the white color to be here. We need this thing to be white. Background color to be white. Okay, now let's go to the parent. Yeah, and here, let me change. I will change this thing to be login. Okay, because I don't need to go access without login to the dashboard. Okay, I will change to login. Everything will be login. So this is it. So let's run our project. Okay, you see. Wow, no. Okay, I'm sorry. I did some mistake. I didn't change this. I didn't change this thing. Okay, so let's change this program right here. Let's make it MDI parent. Okay, that's it. So let's run this project. Okay, you see, you have the project here. When the project runs, it will bring you here to log in, so that you can able to access the dashboard if you are authenticated to do it. So okay guys, here is the first lecture of the video. So we will continue the next lecture, inshallah. See you next time.